So you mentioned when we got this together talk about this, how that period of time also felt very Lord of the Flies to you. So I
Yeah.
found this a really interesting analogy. So why don't you go ahead and explain that to us?
Yeah. So, and it's funny because, Lord of the Flies was a book that we were assigned, but I remember reading it and being like, this feels like Gerard. So in the book, you have the scenario where these kids at different ages, really, elementary, middle school, they get stuck on this island. And the whole plot of the story kind of reveals the craziness of human nature. So initially there's a responsible one that's kind of like in charge and he's like organizing the community. But then there's this other one who was actually like the choir leader when they were in like regular society. And he becomes this like crazed psychopath that turns the one half of the group against the other and is really like survival of the fittest, right? At this point. And there's a lot of that when I think about like just the nature of being at a boarding school where it's like they say the inmates run the asylum. Because when you go to regular school, 8 to 3, and this is for those who are kind of getting a window into our experience. Whatever drama you have, like you have bullies, you have cliques,